Imagine waking up one day and your phone, your car, even your fridge are all smarter than you. They don't just follow commands, they think for themselves. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it might not be for long. Today we're diving into the mind-blowing concept of the AI singularity, the moment when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. Could it happen? And if it does, will AI help us or replace us? Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button if you love thought-provoking topics like this. And don't forget to subscribe to This Is Why, so you never miss a video that makes you go, wait, what? Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so what is this AI singularity everyone keeps talking about? Right now, AI is good at specific tasks, playing chess, diagnosing diseases, or even writing scripts like this one. Wait, did I just expose myself? But AI is still narrow. It can't think creatively or make decisions outside its programming. But Sai, what if one day, an AI starts improving itself, learning faster than humans, rewriting its own code, and upgrading its own intelligence without us? That's when we hit the singularity, a point of no return. Point of no return? Now you might be thinking, this is just some sci-fi movie plot. But hold on, some of the smartest minds in the world take this very seriously. Stephen Hawking warned that AI could be the best or worst thing to happen to humanity. Elon Musk has called AI the biggest threat to civilization. Ray Kurzweil, a leading futurist, predicts that AI will reach human-level intelligence by 2029. That's just 4 years away. Do you think AI will surpass us in our lifetime? Comment below. Now here's where things get wild. Let's say AI becomes smarter than us. What happens next? AI could solve world problems, ending diseases, reversing climate change, and making life effortless. Imagine having a personal AI doctor that can diagnose any disease instantly, or an AI teacher that makes learning 10 times faster. If AI sees humans as illogical and inefficient, will it decide to replace us? Some experts fear an AI could control the economy, military, and even governments. And if AI keeps improving itself at superhuman speed, how long before it stops taking orders from us? AI may not want to destroy us, it might just ignore us, like how we don't stop to think about ants on the sidewalk. An ultra-intelligent AI might not even acknowledge our existence. So, will AI save us, control us, or leave us behind? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing is clear, AI is evolving fast. And the singularity, it might be closer than we think. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI, smash that like button and hit subscribe, so you never miss an episode of This Is Why. Turn on notifications because next time, we might be talking about AI reading your mind, or even replacing your job. Oh, and don't forget to comment below, do you think AI will be our greatest invention or our biggest mistake? Let's talk! Thanks for watching. See you in the future!
Enjoyed watching? Subscribe for more. Like and comment your favorite moment. Thanks for watching.